Video tutorial, I am going to cover one more locator called as a partial link text locator. I had already covered the partial link text locator. I had done only for example. I am going to show you one more example. Okay, let me go to the browser. So here we have a link called as all these images, news and video. Let me go to the books. Just right click on it and inspect the element. And you will find the what you do is now I just this is a link text. Okay, like that we have to identify it. Now I will show you one more for all. Let me close this. So here we have a link, this called as link. Okay, let me go to one more website. I will show you. Go to the Wikipedia ORG and then you will find in the below. Here we have this one. This is we have this entire text. We have terms and after that space, off and after that space. Let me will use just we have to take only terms. Copy. Let me go to this URL. Just I am adding the already had shown this example. I am going to show you one more example. I am adding this URL. Okay. Now just I am going to change the element. I am suggesting you to refer the previous video. You will understand. Okay. Now I will be used only for terms. Does it work or not? We will check it. So to handle the partial dynamic element, we use for the partial link text. Okay, it only works for the works for links, and it is completely case sensitive. See, now it is works fine. Now it had been clicked on terms of use. Here it is showing. Okay, it's completely works fine. I will show you one more. In that only I am going to show you. I will be going to use only for use. It is completely one string. So this all are the partial parts. Okay, partial subset of string we can say. Okay. Now I will be going to use only for terms. I have given only for use text. So whether it works or not, we'll check it on this. Now that your list got launched, and it is goes to the exactly the terms of use. It works fine. So this is what the partial link text we have to work on like this. So partial link text, it is completely working fine, and it is performing action on the clicking on the action. Now I'm going to explain you one more. So this is all of the link. Okay, in below also you will find, and right click on it, inspect the element. These all are the links. Okay, you have to decide that whether you have to go for link text or partial link text. So partial link text is nothing but there is a subset of string, substring. Okay, either you have to use complete string or you have to go for only for part of the substring. So likewise you have to decide about that whether you have to go for partial link text or link text. So okay, that's all in this video section. So I'm requesting you to subscribe this channel. If you get any questions on regarding the partial link text, please give the comment in the comment section. Thank you.